Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove followers on TikTok. So to remove a follower on TikTok without blocking them, so you can open the TikTok app, then go to your profile at the bottom of the screen. Now in here, so you can click followers just below your profile. Next, find the follower you want to remove. So you can scroll down, you can use the search bar to search for users. So once you find the account you want to remove, just click the three dots next to their name and tap remove this follower. So that follower will no longer follow you and won't be notified that you removed them. So if you're sure about this, click remove to confirm the action. And that follower will be removed from your TikTok. So again, so look for the profile you want to remove, then click the three dots next to their name and click remove this follower. So do this for the other account. Remove this follower, click remove, click the three dots, click remove this follower, click remove again to confirm. So when you remove a follower, they are not notified. They will no longer follow your account. If your account is public, they can still find your profile and follow you again unless you block them. If your account is private, they'll need to send a new follow request which you can approve or deny.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simple and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So if you want to make your account private, so you can go back, then click the three-line menu in the top right, then go to settings and privacy. So once you're on settings and privacy, scroll down to visibility and select private account. Then just enable private account to make your account private. And that's it. So that's how you can remove followers on TikTok. Thank you for watching.